fine. Your friend did it.
Mommy, Daddy, give me some more food, Daddy.
You might have babies.
Daddy, give me some more food.
Robert, stop. Oh my God.
Give me some more.
I've never seen this.
No, I want my own.
Bam, hang on, baby. Remember, little pieces, okay?
I can't reach one.
I think that other one has babies.
No, like I don't see a big piece.
Oh, this one wants more.
Actually, I do. I do. Ta-da! Look at this, Mommy.
Wow, that's amazing.
Where's this one? Hey!
If you just hold your hand out, baby, they'll come get it out of your hand.
Yeah, don't
Look
even
how
hurt.
pretty he is.
Mommy, he's gonna hurt my feet.
No, I
it
won't.
don't even hurt when they pull
Watch.
it out. Here.
You just put it on your palm like Dad. You gotta get down on your knees.
They might be full now, though.
No, I think this one has babies, babe.
This one's coming back.
Hang on,
Bam, come
Bam.
over here.
Okay.
You have to stay super still, though.
That one will eat it up.
I might have moved too much. Bam, stop.
This is going.
That's so cool.
He did want to go.
He'll come back.
Wet is.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my God.
Get it out. There you go. Put it out there.
Yay, Bam!
Let's go fuck me.
Yeah, see, it don't hurt.
No, I want to try it again. That was so much fun.
You did
Is
it
that the
again.
one that wets his?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Just stay still, baby. See, he gets sketched if you don't stay still. No.
Put your hand way out there. Pick it up.
Oh, okay.
Pick it up. Put it way out there.
And don't make a noise.
Here.
He's shade.
Now put your hand way out.
Well,
Don't drop it.
Shh.
I got you.
Yay! Doesn't that make you happy? There he goes. Yes, he's smart.
He ate too much. I'm not eating
Yeah, he's probably not hungry anymore.
Oh, there's one.
No, you can't chase him.
Chase him.
They look. Oh, oh, that was not nice.
What did he do?
Steal it.
Oh,
Do what? The bread?
Yes.
I'll get him. I will get you another one. Can I make it?
yeah, I think they're done, baby. Because they don't want to do this no more.
Well, I think.
They come out of nowhere and then now they're all gone.
That was cool, huh?
We got their belly.